Boring texts are killing your videos, but with this simple camera trick, you can create text animation that looks more cinematic and professional in After Effects. By the end of this tutorial, you know how to create text animation that move dynamically in your scene. This technique is really helpful for intros, title sequence, and eye-catching motion graphics. Okay, open After Effects, create a new solid layer, apply gradient ramp effect on it. You can directly apply it from FX console or search it in effects and presets. Customize gradient ramp based on the video to look more 3D and cinematic. Now type your text. Choose white color because our background is black, so we want to have full visibility on our text. You can choose any font that you like. Adjust your text in the scene and make a pre-compose out of it. In a project panel, duplicate the text layer comp. Why we do this? If you duplicate the layer here in timeline, every change you make in the first layer, it will affect on the second layer automatically, but we don't want it. If you duplicate it in a project, After Effects count it as a completely separate layer. Now drag it into your comp, turn on 3D mode for both layers. Adjust them in a scene. In this way, to show the perspective of the text. One of them is more close to the scene, to the camera I mean. One of them is far away. Okay, cool. Now create a null object. Turn on its 3D mode. Parent both text layers to the null. Create a new camera layer. Okay. If you need, resize and position the text again. Go to Camera Properties layer. Turn on depth of field and increase aperture. As you can see, we have a nice blur, but you can adjust it based on your desire. It's too much right now, it could be a little less. I think around 200, it's good. For me. And you need to change the focus distance because we want to, our scene in a closer part would be clear, and as we go behind the scene, we have a nice blurry effect on our text. Okay, cool. Now create a new adjustment layer. And apply brightness and contrast effect on your layer. And you can adjust them in Effect Control panel. For me here, it's fine. Around 7 for brightness. And maybe 2 for contrast. Okay. Now we want to animate orientation of the null object. Okay, create a keyframe at the start of your timeline. And around here, change the orientation to have a smooth animation. Okay, cool. Select both layers, apply Easy Ease. I use Flow plugin. It's so useful. Maybe achieving the desired look may take a little time, but it's worth it. I want to try another speed. Maybe this one is better. Okay, I'm totally okay with this one. Now it's time to animate our camera. Turn on the stopwatch for the point of interest, position, and focus distance. Add keyframe and animate them based what you want to see in your scene. duplicate the text layers in your scene with different angle to look more professional and natural. Okay, cool. You've done a really professional text animation in After Effects. You can apply it in different angle, in different scene, and make a really professional text animation in your project. Thank you guys for watching this video. As always, don't forget to subscribe the channel to help me to create more content for you.